Good day, Level 7. So, today we're going to tackle the lesson 3, which is all about conducting hypothesis tests using traditional method. But before that, let's review first our lesson 2. Lesson 2, we determine critical level and critical region by having the confidence level 95%, 1-tailed and 2-tailed as an example. So by the way, what is a critical value? A critical value is any value that separates critical region where the rejected and null hypothesis from the value to the test statistics that do not lead to rejection to the null hypothesis. The critical values depend on the nature of the null hypothesis, the sample distribution that applies the significance level of A. So how do we determine critical regions? Let's have here. Another example, we're going to locate the Z value given that we have the Z equals to the 95% confidence and it is a 2-pair. First, let's have 95%. Okay, so for the 95%, 95% will be changed into decimal becoming 0.95. Since it is a 2-tail, what are we going to do? We need to divide it by 2. That gives us an answer of 0.4750. But we need to determine first our critical level, which is 1 minus 0.95, which is also equal to 0.05. Since it is a 2-tail, we need to divide it by 2. So our critical level would be, or the confidence level would be 0.025. That's the first step. The second step that we're going to do is to interpolate this one. Interpolate. By interpolation, we get Z as positive 1.96. So what are we going to do next? After interpolating, we need to draw it. Draw this one. Okay, from here, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. We need to locate the 0.96, 1.96 and the 1.96. So here for the positive, wala ka doon sa 2. Ato na siyang shade. Then, ato na ibutang si 0.025 here. This is our critical region. To the right. Okay, okay ba siya? Do the same here sa left. Shade this one. Mao niya ato ang 0.025 na critical region. Okay, karon, asa man nila ito makitaan si Z equals to? Si Z equals to, asa ito makitaan? Ato siya makitaan, dili makita. Ano? Awa? This is 2. Nano to siya dili makita. Asa mo siya na-fall? Sa shaded or sa not shaded? Klaro kayo na makita ito na-fall siya sa shaded. So meaning, kanis Z equals to, compared to this, na siya na-fall sa asa? Critical. Na-fall siya sa critical region. So kung mauni ang ato ang HO, may unita, therefore, we have enough evidence, to show that there is a difference of the computed mean. Reject HO. So now reject HO. Reject the null hypothesis. Kung ma-fall siya sa shaded region. Kung ano siya ma-fall diri sa walay shaded, accept the null hypothesis. So, nata diri problem na to solve. Problem solving. A researcher used a developed problem solving test to randomly select 50, pinakabo, 50 grade 6 pupils in this sample. Mean is 80 and the standard deviation is 10. The mean U and the standard deviation of the population used in the standard deviation of the test were 75 and 15 respectively. Use the 95% confidence level to answer the following question. Number 1. Does the sample mean differ significantly from the population mean? Number 2. Can it be said that the sample is above average? To solve that one, we have the 7 steps to follow. First one, describe the parameters. When we say parameters, we're talking about the mean. Asa ba ang mean itong gagawin ko na rin? Kaning mean niya 80 of 10 or kaning 75 and 15. Atong gagawin ko si 75. So, describe the parameter. It comes from normal distribution. Ano na kayo magkang normal distribution, sir? Kaya nipasar siya sa CLT. Nagano siya, it uses 50 man. 50 respondent. Okay? Next, formulate the HO and the H1. HO is the null hypothesis na nakakuna na po sa lesson 1, and H sub 1 is the alternative hypothesis. So, our HO, the mean is equal to 75. Our H1 is the mean is not equal to 75. Ano na kayo mo magka-sir na magamit ang not equal to? Eh sa problem, wala man siya ningon na greater than or less than. It means two-tailed siya. Basta two-tailed, not equal to akong gamiton. Number 3, check the assumption of CLT. A, pass the central element. Kailangan may pasar man siya. Atong balikon, 50 ka respondent. Pila ka respondent? 50. Dako siya sa 30. Okay. Choose significance level. Significance level. We have significance level is equal to 1 minus 0.95, which is equal to 0.05. Two-tailed or one-tailed? It is a two-tailed. Okay. Next, select appropriate test. When to use Z-test, when to use T-test. Z-test, basta ang respondent 30 above. Kunya, gihatag pa dyan ang standard deviation. Bisan pag dako ang iyahang respondent, kung huwag gihatag ang standard deviation, you cannot use Z-test. Instead, use T-test. T-test is used gamay na respondent o walay standard deviation. Okay? So, atong gamiton nila Z-test. Inside formula sa Z-test, we have Z is equal to X minus the mean all over the standard deviation divided by square root of n. Okay. So, next, draw. Ato we draw. Okay, 95% confidence level. Remember? So, 95% confidence level, the same atong buhaton. Ang 0.95 divide na to 2, mahimong 0.4750 interpolate. So may tabo, interpolate na to, pilawan. That would be Z is equal to 1 positive negative 1.96. Makita na to. So, we have to draw now. Na 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Di kabot ng negative 2, di kabot ng positive 2, 1 na yung shaded region. That is a critical. Diha ang alpha, pilang alpha dili? 0.025. Diha sa pikas, 0.025. Now, ato i-check ang Z. Kaya sa ito ang given dili, hatag na ng Z. Pero dili ato sa i-check pila si Z. Okay, check na to.
Z is equal to, ano yan atong gamiton dili? Pinaman. Kaya atong gamiton diha sa x, that would be 80. So 80 minus 75 for the mean divided by 15 over square root of 50. So, pinaman na. That would be 5 divided by, pila ang 15 divided by square root of 50. So, ito na lang dali ha. So, ang z naman is 2.36 ang value. Ngayon, ato na down. Asa na na-fall si 2.36? Si 2.36 na dali. 2.36 na dali. Asa siya nabutang? Critical region. So may state sa decision na ito dali. Ringon tama. Therefore, we reject HO. We have enough evidence to show that there is a significant difference between the computed mean. Yan na ra. Okay, wala na yung steps na dapat nato sundugon. Describe parameters, formulate HO, check assumption, may pasar ba sa CLT? Wala ang pasar CLT, bawal ang z-test, t-test na. Choose level of significance, 0.05, total man, divided by 2 na siya. Then, atin pakita, divide ng 2, which is 0.025. Okay? Select appropriate test, atong gigamit, z-test. Okay, z-test man, one ang formula, ang 95%, imong decimal, divided by 2, 0.4750, interpolate, positive, negative 1.96. Compute the z, tandi rin asa siya makita sa drawing. Nakita mo siya sa critical region, therefore, mistake decision. We reject HO. We have enough evidence to show that there is a significant difference between the computed mean. And that is lesson 3. Thank you.